General orders. 11 general orders. To take charge of this post and all government properties in view. To walk my post in military manners, keeping always on alert in everything that takes the place within sight or hearing. Number 3, general orders. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. General order number 4. To report all calls from my post more distant from the guardhouse than my own. General orders number 5. To quiet my post only when properly relieved. General orders number 6. To reserve, obey, and pass to the sentinel who believes me all orders from the commanding officer of the day, officers and non-commissioned officers of the guardhouse only. General orders number 7. To take to no one except to the line of duty. General order number 8. To give alarm in case of fire or disorder. General order number 9. To call the commanders of relief in any case not covered by instruction. General orders number 10. To salute all officers, colors, and understand not case. General orders number 11, the last one. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging. To challenge all persons on or near my post and to follow no one to pass without properly authority. Thank you.
Yang mana? Yang mana teh?